again for GemmyD on Cars. I am here with Will and the SRT and Alex. Drove his GTI last year. What's your Instagram? Give it a little plug here.
Alex the Spangler.
Okay, so we're going to try out, Alex just got a new drone, and we're going to do some drone shots of the SRT, and then we're going to do a launch control pull. I'm going to put...
Not just a drone though, I mean let's...
Okay, let me, I don't want to shortchange him,
Yeah.
but he just got it. He's been running for 5 or 10 minutes. It's incredible. I can't wait to see what the footage looks like. We're going to go to like a long straight, and I'm going to set this camera up on a tripod, and Alex is going to run the drone, and we're going to do a launch control pull to experience. Now, I experienced this once already, and it was quite intense. I'll just say that. So we're going to do that. Catch up with you in a little bit.
Damn, my AP gonna cycle. The mama better Michael. Could really trust nobody with all this jewelry on ya. My roof look kinda no sugar. Diamonds by the boat. Logo with the Tony Romo for clowns and all the bows. Damn, my AP gonna cycle. The mama better Michael. Could really trust nobody with all this jewelry on ya. My roof look kinda no sugar. Diamonds by the boat. Look, don't act like you my friend when I'm rolling through my hand first. And I'm like, whoa. So golden cold, diamonds where my titties are. Call the mama better Michael, could really trust nobody.
Alright, so we're in the SRT. We're going to do a little launch control. Will is driving, Alex is working the drone. It's the first time I've actually shot on my iPhone, but I would just want to get it of my reaction of the launch. So whenever Will's ready.
Trying to get your camera. Alright.
Actually, I can get both of us. What the hell? Like a different sensation that I'm not used to. It's like I feel like my hat went back a little bit, my neck snapped back.
Sure.
So how many RPMs were you at the launch? Three grand.
Yeah.
Woo! Last launch. Alex is gonna get some. He's gonna try to follow us as fast as he can. I want to see if I can actually see him like next to me. Here, let me put my thing on so it doesn't beep. All right, whenever you're ready, bro.
You ready?
Yep. Oh. Beautiful day in central Pennsylvania. I can't believe how far away you can be from that thing. He said like 1.5 miles or something.
Mm-hmm.
Oh my god, that's insane. Alright, so that was a little bit of drone action with some launch control of the SRT. That thing is an absolute beast. I feel like I could do, we did like 3 launches. I feel like I could do that all day. I wanted to give a shout out to Alex. Follow him on Instagram at Alex the Spangler. I'll put a link right here. Appreciate him coming out and working with us. He's a car guy through and through, so I wanted to help him out, get some stuff for his drone. Hope you enjoyed this video. Follow me at GemmyD on Cars on Instagram, and we'll see you on the next one. See ya. Also, I can't forget, I'm wearing my new hat. This is the black one. This is the white one. I posted on Instagram about them. They are 20 bucks. There's Viv. I'm doing my outro for my video, Viv.
Hey guys! Are you in on me?
Yeah.
Hey guys, it's me, Viv, and today I got new curtains.
Yeah, you got a new room, huh?
Yeah.
Alright, let me finish this and then we can talk, okay?
Way too much. Way too much.
Okay, Viv, just relax. Alright, you can be in the background, okay? Alright, Viv's in the background. You have the black hat and the white hat. These are $20. I will ship them anywhere in the US. You can message me on Instagram, GemmyD on Cars, or you can send me an email at GemmyD63@yahoo.com.
Guys,
Okay, hold on, Viv.
it's my turn now.
Hold on. This black hat, I like it better than the white one, but this one is super comfortable, almost more comfortable than this one. So, hope you guys like these hats, and I can sell a couple of them.
No, they don't.
Stop
They
it.
hate us.
All right, hope you guys enjoyed this video.
No,
I'll see you on the next one. See ya.